Minorities should certainly have equal rights in all Muslim societies. There is no reason why there should be any discrimination whatsoever given the teachings of Islam. Most certainly, Muslims have been expected to say their prayers, pay zakat, and follow the Islamic Sharia. But obviously, non Muslims are not going to be bound to follow what Islam tells the believer to do. As far as opportunities to earn, to do business, to pursue whatever career one wants to pursue, everybody should be free to choose whatever they want to do, obviously within the limits of the law. It is the law that needs to be implemented on all peoples of the society in a Muslim country, um, irrespective of who they are. And the laws should be made through mutual consultation in the parliament, which in turn should be elected by a proper system of elections. So, in a democracy, if a society is uh, predominantly a Muslim society, majority of the people living in the society are Muslims, it will follow the same pattern. Obviously, Muslims in the parliament, when it's going to come to the question of making laws, are going to be influenced by their religious understanding, by their Sharia. Minorities can raise their concerns regarding some aspects of the Sharia which they may not want to get implemented on them. So there's going to be debate, there is going to be discussion. Uh, Whereas Muslims are expected to follow the Sharia, the non Muslims obviously are not bound. So there is no reason why the possibility of equal opportunities to non Muslims in a Muslim society should be questioned. We are expected to debate, to talk to people about our understanding and our point of view through arguments, wisely, intelligently. We try to convince ourselves about the authenticity, the veracity of our message, and that is exactly what we should do to others. Imposing something on non Muslims and restricting them from achieving the goals that they think best for themselves to be achieved should never be hindered. Obviously, the non Muslim minority would know and appreciate that they are living in a society where Muslims have their own expectations in how to live a life. So the non Muslim minority would respect those values like the Muslims should respect their values. And it has to be in a manner of discussion, dialogue, mutual understanding that the society should proceed. And a Muslim society has no right to restrict the possibilities of achieving whatever people would want to achieve. It should be a society of equal opportunities to all. More than anything else, the Quran requires Muslims to be just and fair under all circumstances, and that is what a true good Muslim society should reflect when it operates in a situation where they are both Muslims and non-Muslims living together side by side.